together because they take the same mouth position. Sh is unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and zh is voiced, meaning you make a sound with the vocal cords. Zh. To make these sounds, the teeth come together. The corners of the lips come in, and the lips flare. The tongue lifts, so the front middle part of the tongue is very close to the roof of the mouth, but not touching it. The tongue tip points forward, but doesn't touch anything. Let's look at these sounds up close and in slow motion. The lips flare and the teeth come together. In the word shop, the sh is at the beginning of the word. In the word wish, it's at the end. In the word Asia, the zh sound is in the middle. The mouth position is always the same. Teeth together, lips flare. The sh and zh consonants. Shop, wish, Asia.